Right. Okay, children. Good evening, all of you. Today you have written mains model examination, Nana. This is errors finding notes for chemistry part. Errors finding notes means after completion of every mains model and advanced model, you have to write the solutions of the questions which you did mistake in the examination and the question which you left in the examination, Nana. Okay, all of you maintain errors finding notes after completion of every mains model and advanced model exam. Okay, I will explain all the questions, Nana. Copy the solutions. Question number 26. Here a sample of phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus trichloride PCl3, Nana. Formula is given. Here contain 1.4 moles of substance. The number of atoms in the sample, Nana. Number of atoms, Nana. Okay, here PCl3, here 1 mole of PCl3 contain here 4 into Avogadro number of atoms, Nana. The reason is PCl3, it consists of 4 atoms, Nana. One molecule contain 4 atoms. 1 mole contain 4 moles of atoms. The question is 1.4 moles of PCl3 contain how many atoms, Nana? Okay, here number of atoms is equal to 1.4 into 4 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Nana. If you simplify that, you get 3.37 into 10 to the power 24. Nana. Question number 27. Here equivalent weight of hypo. Hypo, Nana. Here the formula Na2S2O3 dot. That's it. Na2S2O3, Nana. Here the conversion is given as Na2S4O6, Nana. Okay, check the conversion, Nana. Here thiosulfate S2O3 minus 2 converted to tetrathionate, Nana. S4O6 minus 2. If you calculate oxidation state, Nana, S2O3 minus 2, 2 into X plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2. X is equal to, you get plus 2. Oxidation state plus 2. Here balance this, Nana. Here this side 4 sulfur atoms, here this side 2. So you should multiply with 2. Here oxidation number is equal to 4 atoms are there. 4 into plus 2 plus 8. Similarly, here S4O6 minus 2 tetrathionate 4 into X plus 6 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2. X is equal to plus 10 by 4. Here oxidation state is plus 10 by 4. Oxidation number is equal to plus 10. 4 atoms. 4 into plus 10 by 4, you get plus 10. So here plus 8 to plus 2 means here number of electrons transferred is equal to 2, Nana. Plus 10 minus plus 8, 2. Here 2 electron transferred per 2 moles, Nana. Per 2 moles. Look at this here, 2 moles. Here number of electrons transferred is equal to 1, Nana, per 1 mole. Here this is n factor value. So here n factor is equal to 1. Then equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight by 1. Number of electron transferred for 2 moles, 2 electrons. For 1 mole, 1 electron. That is n factor value. Equivalent weight of the compound is equal to molecular weight by n factor 1. Question number 28. This is a theoretical question, Nana. Among the following, which is can never be variable, Nana. Here valency, here atomic weight, and equivalent weight, Nana. Here valency variable, Nana. We observe variable valencies. Here equivalent weight, this is also variable, Nana. Based on the valency, equivalent weight may change. But here never variable. Atomic weight never variable, Nana. Question number 29. Here, how many years it would take to spend Avogadro number of rupees at the rate 10 lakh rupees per second. Here rate is given as 10 lakh rupees per second. Here the question is what? Avogadro number of rupees. Avogadro number means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 rupees spent in how many seconds? Here that is time taken is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 10 lakh. 10 lakh means 10 into 10 to the power 5. Nana. That is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power plus 6. Come to numerator, Nana, minus 6 plus 23 minus 6. Here plus 17 seconds. But the question is time required in years, Nana. So here 6.02 into 10 to the power 10 to the power 17 divided by here seconds, Nana. Seconds converted into minutes. Minutes converted into hours. Hours converted into days. Days converted into years, Nana. Then you get years. Okay, now seconds converted into minutes into 60, hours into 60, days 24 hours per day. Here 365 years per year, 365 days. If you simplify this, you get 1.909 into 10 to the power 10 years. Okay, this is the time taken for spending of Avogadro number of rupees with this rate, 10 lakh rupees per second. Next question number 30. The mass of single atom. Here single atom mass is equal to, this is actual mass. Actual mass is given as 2.65 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. Here atomic weight is equal to actual mass divided by AMU value. AMU value. Here actual mass 2.65 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. Here 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Grams cancel. If you simplify this, you get atomic weight 16. So the element is what? Oxygen. Question number 31. Here mixture is given on 7 grams of nitrogen and 8 grams of oxygen is given on 31. Here percentage mole percent nana. Here mole percent of nitrogen is how much? That is the question nana. Here number of moles of nitrogen is equal to given weight by gram molecular weight nana. Then you get 1/4 0.25. Here moles of oxygen nana 8/32 given weight by gram molecular weight O2 32. You get 1/4 0.25. Here mole percent of nitrogen, percentage composition formula, mole percent is equal to here moles of nitrogen divided by total moles nana, moles of nitrogen plus moles of oxygen into 100. That is nothing but mole percent nana. Substitute the values here 0.25 by 0.25 plus 0.25 into 100. If you simplify this, you get 50%. Mole percent of nitrogen means number of moles of nitrogen by total number of moles. In the mixture, only two components, moles of nitrogen plus moles of oxygen. Number of moles of nitrogen given weight by gram molecular weight. For oxygen, given weight by gram molecular weight. Second one here barium chloride dot XH2 compound is given, hydrated salt, and here percent weight of water molecule is given as 14.8%. Here molecular weight of compound is equal to here 137 plus 71 plus 18x. That is nothing but 208 plus 18x. Water molecule nana H2O 18 into x molecules are there, x into 18x. This is molecular mass. Here percentage of water is equal to percentage composition of water is equal to weight of water by weight of compound into 100 nana. Simple formula. Here percentage composition is given as 14.8. Weight of water means in this 18 molecule molecular weight 18 x molecules 18x. Molecular mass of compound 208 plus 18x into 100. If you simplify this, you get x is equal to 2. Therefore, number of water molecules is equal to 2. The formula is BaCl2 dot 2H2. Barium chloride crystals none. Hydrated salt. Question number 33. Here vapor density of gas is given as 11.2 nana. From this you get molecular weight of the gas 2 into vapor density, that is equal to 22.4 grams nana. Okay, here the question is what is the volume of the gas? (11.2 grams of the gas is given. That is the question. Here from this molecular mass nana, general formula nana, 22.4 grams of gas occupies 22.4 liters. Gram molecular weight is equal to gram molar volume. Here the question is 11.2 grams of gas occupies 11.2 liters. Okay, now vapor density given nana, from this molecular weight 2 into vapor density, this is molecular mass. Molecular mass of any gas occupies 22.4 liters at STP. 11.2 grams occupies how much? Question number 34. Here empirical formula of the compound is given as CH. And here molecular weight of the compound is given as 78. Then the question is, what is compound molecular formula? Molecular formula is what? From empirical formula, we can calculate empirical formula weight. 12 plus 1, that is 13. Here molecular formula. Molecular formula is equal to empirical formula n times, where n is equal to molecular weight by empirical formula weight. Molecular weight is given as 78, empirical formula weight 13, you get 6, n value 6. If you substitute this in the molecular formula is equal to empirical formula CH taken 6 times. So C6H6. This is a benzene. The compound name is benzene. Question number 35. Here molecular formula. Molecular formula of compound is given as X2 Y4 O2. Then empirical formula. Empirical formula here common factor is 2. So X Y2 O. This is empirical formula. Question number 36. Here weight of 0.5 gram equivalents is equal to 22.5 grams is given. This is weight of 0.5 gram equivalents. Then weight of 1 gram equivalent. 1 gram equivalent. Weight of 1 gram equivalent is equal to here 45. Okay, this is a half equivalent. Half equivalent value 22.5. 1 equivalent value weight 45 grams. 45 grams. Here this is nothing but equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of the acid. And here from the data, n factor of acid is equal to 2. Why? What is the reason? Here 1. See the statement. 1 mole of it completely neutralizes 2 gram equivalents of base. That's why n factor value 2. So from this molecular weight is equal to equivalent weight into n factor. Equivalent weight value 45 into 2, you get 90. That is molecular mass. Here the options. Check the options. Here first acid H2SO4, molecular mass 98. Second one acetic acid CH3COOH. Here molecular mass 60. Here next one oxalic acid COOH taken twice, molecular mass 90. Here last one is phosphorus acid H3PO3, that is 82. So here molecular mass 90 for oxalic acid. That too n factor value 2. Here n factor value 1. Here n factor value 2. Here n factor value 2. But molecular masses are different. Molecular mass 90 for oxalic acid. Question number 37. See the question, 1.1 gram of chloride of a metal displaces in water with an excess of silver nitrate. The weight of precipitated silver chloride is given. So simply here equivalents of metal chloride, equivalents of metal chloride is equal to equivalents of silver chloride, nana. Okay, now here metal chloride converted into silver chloride, nana. So here equivalents, here weight of metal chloride divided by equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of chloride. Generally, equivalent is equal to given weight by gram equivalent weight of compound. Gram equivalent weight of compound is written as gram equivalent weight of metal and equivalent weight of chloride. So RHS, weight of silver chloride by equivalent weight of silver plus equivalent weight of chloride. Okay, here equivalent weight of silver is 108 and equivalent weight of Cl minus is 35.5. Because both cases here valency 1 only. Atomic weight by valency, atomic weight of silver 108 divided by 1. Atomic weight of chlorine 35.5, valency 1. If you substitute the values, here metal chloride mass is given as 1.11. Here equivalent weight of metal taken as X, unknown value. Chlorine equivalent weight 35.5. Silver AgCl 2.87 divided by equivalent weight of silver 108 plus 35.5. If you simplify this is the unknown value. X is equal to 20. Equivalent weight of metal is 20. Question number 38. (1.6 grams of calcium and 2.6 grams of zinc were treated with an acid. Here equivalent weight of zinc. Here two metals are there. Here metal displacement reaction. Here equivalent weight of simple formula. M1 by M2 is equal to E1 by E2. Here two metals, calcium and zinc. So here mass of calcium by mass of zinc. Mass of calcium is 1.6, mass of zinc 2.6. Here equivalent weight of calcium by equivalent weight zinc. Equivalent weight of zinc also given in the question as 32.6. If you simplify this, equivalent weight of calcium is equal to 32.6 into 1.6 by 2.6. Here you get equivalent weight of calcium as 20. Simple formula, mass of metal 1 by mass of metal 2. Equivalent weight of metal 1 by equivalent weight of metal. Metal 1 calcium, metal 2 zinc. Question number 39. This is about average atomic mass. Okay, here simple formula, strontium. Antimony average atomic mass is given as 121.50 is equal to average atomic weight is equal to here atomic mass of first isotope into abundance percentage, nana. That is considered as X plus another isotope 121 into 100 minus X, nana. Total percentage 100. Here 123 isotope percentage X, obviously 121 isotope percentage 100 minus X, nana, divided by 100. This is the formula. Okay, simplify this here. 12150 is equal to 123x plus 12100 minus 121x. 123, 121, nana. So here 2x is equal to 50. This is 12150. This is 12100, 50. So x is equal to 25%. Obviously, 100 minus x is equal to 75%. X means stbium 123 percentage. Here 100 minus x, stbium 121 percentage. So 25 is to 75. Question number 40. Here number of moles of electrons in 1 kilogram. Nana. Here mass of electron is given as 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Nana. From this we can understand 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg contain 1 electron. First step, nana. Okay, here 1 kg contain how many number of electrons? So here 9.1 1 by cross multiplication and 1 by here number of electrons, nana. First identify number of electrons in 1 kg. 1 into 10 to the power minus 31 electrons. These many electrons are present, but the question is number of moles of electrons, nana. Moles. Moles means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 electrons is equal to 1 mole. But we have these many number of electrons now. 1 by 9, 1 into 10 to the minus 31 electrons means how many moles? If you simplify this, 1 by 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 divided by cross multiplication, and this value divided by this value means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to here 10 to the power values. Simplify this, this is minus 31 plus 23. So minus 8. Minus 8 come to numerator plus 8. Nana. So 10 to the power plus 8 divided by 9.1 into 6.02. This is the option given, nana. Check the option. Option 4, nana. 1 by 9.1 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 8 plus 8. Okay, here 1 kg consists of these many electrons. 1 mole electrons means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. These many electrons means how many moles? Question number 41. Here bell metal contain 80% of copper, nana. Here mass of bell metal which contain here copper atoms, nana. Copper atoms is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 20. From these atoms here identify mass of copper, nana. First, mass of copper means atomic mass is given, nana. 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 copper atoms mass is equal to 64 grams. Okay, na atomic mass is given as 64, nana. So here mass of copper is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 20 by 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 into 4. These many atoms mass 64. These many atoms mass how much? Yeah, this is 64 nana. If you simplify this, you get 16 into 10 to the power minus 3. Here 4 times, here 4, 16 times 10 to the power 23 plus 23 come to numerator nana, minus 23 plus 20 minus 23 minus 3. So 16 into minus 3 grams, that is nothing but 16 milligrams nana. This is copper mass. Here percentage of copper is equal to mass of copper by mass of compound, mass of bell metal into 100. Here mass of copper is given as 80%. Here mass of copper, mass percentage 80%, mass of copper 16 milligrams divided by mass of bell metal. Mass of bell metal we have to identify into 100. Okay, represent mass of bell metal. Here mass of bell metal is equal to represent this 16 by 18 into 18 16 by 80 into 100 should be in milligrams. That is equal to 0 0 cancel. Here 18 2 times 2 into 10 20 milligrams. Okay, here number of copper atoms given. From this we can identify mass of copper 16 milligrams. General formula, mass percentage composition formula. Percentage of copper is equal to mass of copper by mass of bell metal into 100. Mass percentage of copper is given. Mass of copper just now we have discussed, calculated. Mass of bell metal into 100. Okay. Question number 42. Read the question on 4 10-liter flasks. Here different flask. 4 are 10-liter flask. 10 liter, 10 liter, 10 liter, 10 liter. Hydrogen gas, helium gas, oxygen gas, ozone gas. Here, look at this 22.4 liters of any gas at STP contain Avogadro number of molecules. Means consider this as X molecules. Obviously, this is X. This is also X. This is also X. Here, molecules. Molecules. Okay, now here 22.4 liters occupy Avogadro number of molecules. 10 liters contain how many molecules? Here 10 into Avogadro number by 22.4. Now these are the molecules. Okay, consider this as X. Consider this as X. Then the question is what? Atoms ratio. Atoms ratio. Here atoms. Atoms means here it consists of 2x, it consists of x, it consists of 2x, it consists of 3x. Because atoms is equal to molecules into atomicity. Check the formula. Number of atoms is equal to number of molecules into atomicity. Here H2 gas atomicity 2, helium gas atomicity 1, O2 gas atomicity 2, ozone gas atomicity 3. So here the ratio means x cancel. So here the ratio is 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay, no need to calculate the molecules now, because all the molecules, all cases, the number of molecules same, because volume is same. Volume is same. 10 liters, 10 liters, 10 liters, 10 liters. In each case, what is x? Here x is equal to 10 into Avogadro number by 22.4 liters. 22/4. These are the number of molecules. In each case, this value will be cancelled. Don't confuse. Number of molecules same in all cases, because volume is same. Why atoms are different? Why atoms are different? Because atomicity is different. Atomicity 2, atomicity 1, atomicity 2, atomicity 3. Okay. Question number 43. A number of molecules in 1 liter of water. Nana. Here volume of water is given as 1 liter. Nana. That is nothing but 1000 ml. That 1000 ml. Nana. Then mass of water is equal to 1000 grams, because what? Density is equal to 1 gram per ml. 1 gram per ml means 1 ml volume, 1 ml mass, 1 gram, 1000 ml mass, 1000 grams. The question is what? Molecules. Nana. So 18 grams H2O contain 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Nana. Avogadro number. Nana. Molecular mass, Avogadro number of molecules. The given mass is what? 1000 grams of H2O contain how many molecules? So here number of molecules is equal to, do cross multiplication. Here 1000 by 18 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. If you simplify this, you get 3.33 into 10 to the power 25 molecules. Question number 44. Nana. Read the question, Nana. 48 grams of magnesium contain the same number of atoms as 160 grams of another element, the atomic mass of the element. So here magnesium is given, some X element is given, another element. Okay. Here magnesium means we know that 24 grams contain Avogadro number of atoms. Okay. 48 grams contain how many atoms? Here number of atoms is equal to 2 into Avogadro number. 2 into Avogadro number of atoms. So 24 double. Nana. So Na double, 2 into Avogadro number. So this element consists of 2 into Avogadro number of atoms. And one more data is given. 2 into Avogadro number of atoms, mass is equal to 160 grams is given in the question. Then from this Avogadro number of atoms mass, how much? 80 grams. So this 80 is atomic weight. Atomic weight of X is equal to 80. Atomic weight is nothing but what? Mass of Avogadro number of atoms. 2 into Avogadro number of atoms mass 160 grams. Avogadro number of atoms mass 80 grams. Is it clear? Understand this data. Understand the data. 48 grams of magnesium contain same number of atoms. So 48 grams of magnesium contain Avogadro number of 2 into Avogadro number of atoms. So X element also contain 2 into Avogadro number of atoms. 2 into Avogadro number of atoms mass 160 gram. Avogadro number of atoms mass how much? 80. Then atomic mass of unknown element is 80. Question number 45. Look at the question, Nana. Number of millimoles, Nana. Here, millimoles of water in 1 gram, Nana. This is the question. Generally, 18 grams H2O is equal to 1 mole. Okay. Then 1 gram H2O is equal to how many moles? So here moles is equal to 1 by 18. Cross multiplication 1 by 18 moles. But the question is what? Millimoles, Nana. Moles. Here millimoles is equal to 1 by 18 into 10 cube, Nana. 10 cube means 1000. 1000 by 18, you get 55.5 moles. Okay, 18 grams 1 mole, 1 gram 1 by 18 moles. Millimoles, Nana. Moles is equal to 10 to the power minus 3, sorry, plus 3. Okay. Question number 46. Here percent weight of deuterium, Nana. Deuterium is what? Hydrogen 1 2, Nana. H12. So atomic mass is 2. Percentage of deuterium is equal to mass of deuterium by mass of compound into 100. Here compound is what? Heavy water, Nana. D2O. D2O. So here molecular mass is equal to 2 into 2 plus 16, Nana. You get 20 molecular mass. Because deuterium 2 atoms, deuterium atomic mass 2. So here mass of deuterium is 4 by 20 into 100. Then you get 20% percentage of deuterium. This is given as integer question, Anna. This is given as what? 4x. From this, x is equal to 5. 20 is equal to 4x. X is equal to 20 by 4, 5. Mass percentage, mass of element by mass of compound into 100. Question number 47. Here the weight of neon will have the same number of atoms of as 4 grams of calcium. So here calcium is given and neon is given. Two elements are given. Here 40 grams calcium contain Avogadro number of atoms. Avogadro number of atoms. 4 grams calcium contain how many atoms? So here number of atoms is equal to 4 by 40 into Avogadro number. That is equal to Avogadro number by 10. These many atoms. So neon also contains same atoms, Nana. Check the question. So here neon has a Avogadro number by 10 atoms. From neon, we know that Avogadro number of atoms mass is equal to 20 grams, Nana. Because neon atomic mass 20. Now neon has how many atoms? Avogadro number by 10 atoms. Mass how much? That is equal to Avogadro number by 10 into Avogadro number by 1 by Avogadro number into 20. 10 2 times. Here you get 2 grams. Okay, now here 4 grams of calcium contain same number of atoms in the neon. Then what is the mass of neon? That is the question. 40 grams contain Avogadro number, 4 grams contain Avogadro number by 10. Neon contain Avogadro number by 10 atoms. We know that from the atomic mass, Avogadro number of atoms of neon mass 20 grams. Avogadro number by 20 atoms mass 2 grams. Question number 48. Here 10 grams of metal carbonate on heating given 5.6 grams of its oxide. Here conversion method. Here equivalence of metal carbonate is equal to equivalence of metal oxide. From this you can understand weight of metal carbonate by equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of carbonate is equal to weight of metal oxide by equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of oxide. Look at this, CO3 minus 2 equivalent weight is equal to 60 by 2. Okay, now molecular weight by n factor. Here ion n factor value 2, molecular mass 48 plus 12 60. 60 by 2, that is equal to 30. Similarly, O minus 2 equivalent weight is equal to 16 by 2 8, because oxygen atomic weight 16, valency 2, charge minus 2. Nana, substitute the data. Here metal carbonate value is given as 10, equivalent weight of metal X. Here CO3 atom equivalent weight 30. Here mass of metal oxide 5.6 plus X oxide 8. Okay, if you simplify this, you get X is equal to 20. Means atomic weight, atomic weight, sorry, equivalent weight of metal. This is given as 4y. From this you get y is equal to 5. 5, sorry, here this is given as 5y. So y is equal to 4. Okay. Question number 49. Here the weight of methane which occupies the same volume of C2H6. So here C2H6 methane both are given. Here molecular mass 30, here molecular mass 16. Look at the question. Here 30 grams C2H5 occupies 22.4 liters. Here in the question 7.5 grams ethane C2H6 occupies how much volume? That is equal to 7.5 by 30 into 22.4, you get 5.6 liters. So 7.5 grams of ethane volume, 5.6 liters. So here methane also consists of 5.6 liters volume. Okay, na same volume is given. Here methane molecular mass 16 means 22.4 liters. Methane mass is equal to 16 grams. Gram molar volume is equal to gram molecular mass. Then 5.6 liters methane mass is how much? Here 5.6 by 22.4 into 16. Here 4 times, here 4 times. 4. This is given as 2Z. From this Z is equal to 2. In the question, that mass is equal to 2Z. then Z value is how much? Okay, last one. Yeah, the equivalent mass of an element is 4. Its chloride has vapor density 59.5. Valency of the element. Here, equivalent weight of metal is equal to 2 into vapor density by X minus 35.5. Here, Vd is vapor density. X is equal to valency of the metal. Here, substitute the data. Equivalent weight is given as 4 and 2 into vapor density value given as 59.25 divided by X minus 35.5. Okay, if you simplify this here, 118.5 by X is equal to 39.5. Here, this 35.5 come to LHS plus 35.5. So 39.5. X is equal to 118.5 by 39.5. That is equal to 3. Valency 3. Equivalent weight of metal is equal to 2 into vapor density by X minus 35.5. Okay. Right. Okay, children. Thank you.